Welcome back guys to the Carshed, your favorite reviewer. The McLaren P1 is a marvel of modern automotive engineering, a hybrid supercar that embodies the perfect blend of innovative technology, stunning design, and exceptional performance. Introduced in 2013, the P1 was conceived as a spiritual successor to the iconic McLaren F1, with a mission to redefine the boundaries of speed, handling, and efficiency. With its potent combination of a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 engine and an electric motor, the P1 unleashes a staggering 903 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. This phenomenal power output enables the P1 to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 2.8 seconds, and reach an electronically limited top speed of 217 miles per hour. The P1's advanced all-wheel drive system and bespoke Pirelli tires ensure optimal traction and handling, making it a formidable track performer. The P1's exterior design is a masterclass in aerodynamic efficiency and visual drama. Its sleek, carbon fiber bodywork features a distinctive rear wing, which generates an astonishing 1,323 pounds of downforce at 161 miles per hour. The P1's active aerodynamics system, which includes adjustable front and rear wings, allows drivers to optimize downforce and drag for different driving modes. The P1's striking visual presence is further enhanced by its distinctive dihedral doors, which swing upwards to reveal the cockpit. Inside, the P1's cabin is a testament to McLaren's commitment to minimalist elegance and functional sophistication. The driver-focused cockpit features a unique, centrally mounted rev counter, and a bespoke digital instrument cluster. The P1's seats are designed to provide optimal support and comfort, with adjustable bolsters and a memory function. The cabin's premium materials, including carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather, create a luxurious ambiance that belies the P1's extreme performance capabilities. Despite its phenomenal performance, the P1 is surprisingly fuel-efficient, with an estimated EPA rating of 17 mpg combined. This is largely due to its advanced hybrid powertrain, which features a lightweight lithium-ion battery pack and an innovative regenerative braking system. The P1's electric-only mode allows for silent, emissions-free driving at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, making it an intriguing option for urban driving. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the Car Shed. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned, stay driven. See you soon.